Hello, I'm back. And this is one of my Lego creations. A time travel plane. Weird, isn't it? Most time machines are usually cars or like stable objects like a telephone booth, but I decided why not take a step further. So I made this. A time travel plane. And here's its pilot. A single guy who loves sci-fi movies. And here's his ray gun right here, like to travel time with, like a time travel gun. You're saying, what does a time travel gun do? Well, it usually, like, if you're stealing data from a gladiator or something, that's where it stores its data. And here's his helmet too. Let me give you some detail about this time travel plane. The double blasters right here are usually for attacks or summoning wormholes. Turbo booster, turbo booster engine, and a stabilizer. Radar for enemy attacks. And this is also powered by electromagnets right here. Yep, it's pretty cool. Well, I just want to make a little vlog about that. Oh yeah, I was thinking about since Thanksgiving's coming up, I want to ask you this: What are you thankful for? Leave your answers in the comments below. Also, another announcement: you can leave me comments. You can leave me ideas for building stuff, like buildings or people or stuff like that. So leave your comments below. Anyways, I'll see you next week.